Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials by clicking on the subscribe button, and do remember to click on the notification bell icon to get instant notifications.
Hey guys, so the other day I showed you how to install the latest beta ROM on the Xiaomi Redmi 5A. Now that guide applied to all the Xiaomi devices, so I thought that it's 2018. It's been about a year that I did a few videos on this topic for the Xiaomi devices. Let's do it once again. So today we're going to talk about reverting your phone to a stock ROM while you are on a locked bootloader, and this applies to all the Xiaomi devices. Now before I begin, let me tell you one thing, that you need to back up all your information and keep it on a computer or a separate device somewhere, because this will erase everything including the internal storage, and make sure you have at least 50% battery. So no matter what Xiaomi device you are on, you are always allowed to go to a stock ROM from a beta, or from a beta to a stock on a locked bootloader. And that's very simple. So just follow the instructions in this particular video and you should be good to go. Hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. Let's get back to stock on your Xiaomi device. Alright guys, so as you look at the screen right now, we have a Xiaomi Redmi 5A, and by the way, we are giving away this phone as soon as we reach 4,000 subscribers, and that should happen by the end of February. So if we reach 4,000 subscribers by the end of February 2018, I'll be giving away a brand new Xiaomi Redmi 5A to one lucky winner. So watch all the rules in the description box and participate. Now without further ado, let's go to settings. Let's go to about. Now you can see this is a Redmi 5A running Android 7.1.2 on a global beta ROM. Alright, so again, just like the previous tutorial, what you need to do here is just go to the Google folder, open Chrome, en.miui.com. Alright, now the moment you go to this site, just tap on global ROMs and select your Xiaomi Redmi 5A or whatever Xiaomi device you have. Alright, so in our case, we will use the global stable ROM. So you just need to download the zip file and wait for the download to complete. Now in my case, I've already downloaded it and kept it to the internal storage. So I'll just show you the flashing process. Let's go to settings, about phone. Go to system update. So tap the three dots here, go to choose update package, choose explorer, and scroll all the way to the bottom and select this file. Now this is the stable ROM file that I've downloaded. All right, so tap here. Okay, so it will need an internet connection, because it will check if this is a valid file or not, and make sure you always download the file which is latest. If you're going from stock to beta, download the latest beta ROM, or if you're going from beta to stock, download the latest beta file, otherwise it will not work. Alright, so it happened again. I had to pause the recording because it gave me an error. So somewhere there is a catch, guys. You can go ahead and upgrade to a beta or downgrade to a stock on a locked bootloader just using the built-in updater that we have on MIUI. But if it gives you an error like cannot verify package, or you're not allowed to flash this ROM or anything of that sort, just go ahead and back up everything and do a factory reset. Immediately after the reset, copy the file to the internal storage and try to upgrading using this particular method, and it will work. There you go, it says it will erase all the data. Again, this process will take at least 10 minutes or more than that. But then again, once this process is complete, you will reboot into the stock ROM with a locked bootloader, everything as it was, like a brand new phone. So I'll get back to you once the installation process is done. Alright, so it just finished installing, and now that we boot, it should boot into stable. So don't worry guys, it's very easy to go to stable from beta, or from stable to beta, or vice versa. You just have to make sure if you're getting any error like verify failed, or you're not allowed to upgrade or something like that, just go ahead and make sure you factory reset the phone, and immediately after a factory reset you give this a try, and it will definitely work on any Xiaomi device. All right, this is a very neat trick. Okay, so it is booted up and I have skipped through the setup. Let's see what we have here. We'll go to settings, about, and I guess you can see there you go. So this is MIUI 9.2.1 stable on Android 7.1.2. So there you have it, guys. This was the guide to revert from beta to stable on the Redmi 5A or any Xiaomi device. This is the latest trick. Just do a factory reset and it will definitely work. And if you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget that we are giving away this very phone like a brand new one if we make it to 4,000 subscribers by the end of February. So go to the description, see the ways to participate, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.